Today you will learn how to get started with Adobe InDesign 2018. Basically, InDesign is a professional design and layout tool for producing high-quality content for both printing and on the screen. To create actual graphics, you need to use additional programs like Illustrator and Photoshop, or open source software such as Inkscape or GIMP. When you open InDesign first time, you may see a list of previous files. If you wish to remove this option, go to Edit, Preferences, File Handling, and change number of recent items to 0. Click OK and restart InDesign. Next, let's create a book. Please do not use book option because this is used only to combine separate files into one long publication. Please remember that there are two ways to create new document, by clicking Create button or by using Edit New Document option. In New Document panel, you can find additional option where you can use saved, print, web, or mobile standard presence. You may also create your own custom presence. Under your new document, you can change units, page orientation, number of pages, as well as margins, sizes. Please notice how options for facing pages affects margins. So if you have book, it is a good idea to add extra space on the inside of the page. To accommodate multiple pages, going to default. Click OK after you complete all adjustments. InDesign interface is very similar to those of Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, and even resembles Microsoft Word. InDesign also offers pre-made workspaces that you can choose from, and you may find them useful as you work on project that involves particular tools. You can change interface color as well to match your preferences. Click Edit, Preferences, Interface, choose your color and click OK. On the right side panel, you have access to pages, layers and links. To select particular page, you may double-click on the page in the Page panel or scroll down your document. In the same panel below, you can create, delete and edit pages. Now let's create our first page in the book that will include images and the text. Let's place image first. To add the image, you start by creating rectangular form and placing image by using bridge. Notice that there is no mini bridge in CSS 2018. Click image and drag to the page and place on the top of rectangular form. Then adjust fitting and position. You may also place image on by clicking File, Place option and then dragging over the page. Next, rescale and move images to proper position and adjust fitting as needed. After that, add text. Use Text tool to draw the box where you want your text to appear. Adjust text style, size and format to your liking. Remember to resize text box if your text is cut or missing. Since this is just exercise, do not worry about layout. For your future project, complete layout sketches first and then add graphics and the text. Please remember, proper planning will save you time and money. Add additional text for description, but this time start with the box and divide it to 3 columns. Instead creating another text box, you can copy and paste the first one. If you do not have text prepared, you may use filler text and then replace it later. So here is your first page. Please keep practicing and experimenting with different tools. Thank you and good luck.